In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Oculus Quest 2 headset. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some considerations to make when trying to locate your Oculus Quest 2 headset. So, if you have misplaced, if you have lost, or if your Oculus Quest 2 headset was simply stolen, here's a breakdown of what you can consider doing. I just want to make it very clear. Most modern devices nowadays, like smartphones, have some sort of Find My or GPS tracking features enabled. This makes it very easy to locate these devices. However, this is not the case for the Oculus Quest headsets. As it stands today, they lack the hardware needed to make this happen, so there is no easy way to track it down by using the serial number or the ID, for example. There is no place that gives you a GPS or an updated map that allows you to see the location like an iPhone would. With that warning out of the way, this means that your only hope of finding the headset is to do a thorough physical search. If you took your headset with you and you lost it when you were outside of the house, the chances of finding it again, assuming that no one picked it up, can be very low. You will simply have to retrace your steps, think about the last time where you placed or you used the headset, and check hiding places in the area. If you lost it inside of your house, look under furniture and closets, behind cushions, and any other places. If you have roommates or family that lives with you, it's important to ask them to see if they might have misplaced it. Because of the lack of these features that would make the process extremely convenient, all it comes down to is doing physical searches over and over until you find it. It is extremely unfortunate, but because of the lack of built-in tracking, it can be difficult to find it. Remember to log out of all sessions. You can do this through the website. That way, if someone stole your headset, at least they won't be able to use it because they will have to sign in with an account. With this out of the way, there's not much that I can say in this video. I expect that most people have already looked in all places inside of their house or outdoors where they lost it, but because of the lack of a built-in tracking feature, this is all you have to go off of. And because they don't sell replacement headsets only, this might mean that you simply need to purchase a new Meta Quest, which of course is a pricey thing. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your Oculus Quest 2 headset. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.